It's the 23rd of February and I thought it was about time I gave you another update on this field that we've got a split trial in, where we've got cover crop in half the field, which is that there, and then that side of it we've got conventional drilled wheat there. So that was cover crop until the middle of October, direct drilled with a John Deere 750A drill straight after oilseed rape, and then that half there was soloed and pressed and drilled in a normal way with our Freeflow drill. The whole field is reflection. It was all drilled at 300 seeds a square metre in the middle of October, and you can see here this side it still looks a little bit thinner where we had the cover crop. You can see the headland down there, that was conventionally worked and drilled, but it doesn't look bad for how it was looking early on in the autumn. Obviously this part is cheaper to establish, but not by a huge amount because it was drilled twice, whereas that side, and we had to press on this side because the slots were open after the drill and I didn't want the slugs to get at it. We have actually had 3 applications of slug pellets on this half here, and whereas this side it's only had 1. But you can see, you know, that the plants are tillering out. It hasn't had any nitrogen yet, but it won't be long. Within the next week to 10 days it'll be getting some. You can see here now these plants do look bigger, more tillers on them, but whether there'll be any difference in yield, it'll be interesting to see at harvest time. The whole field is going to get treated the same from now on with fertiliser and chemicals, fungicides, growth regulators, trace elements, everything. And so when we get the combine in, it'll be very interesting to see. But there you are, you can see that half does show up there at the moment quite visibly. But I'll keep you informed on how we're getting on here and keep regular updates.